Alright, let's solve this Furthermaths question together. The question is on vectors and is Waec question 2021. Okay. Giving vector x to be minus 4, 3 and vector y to be minus 9, 15, we have to calculate, correct to the nearest degree, the angle between the two vectors. Now, let's solve this together. We can determine the angle between the two vectors using the formula cos theta equal to x dot y divided by the modulus of x multiplied by the modulus of y. Okay, where this theta is the angle between vector x and vector y. Now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to first find the dot product of the two vectors, which is x dot y. Then we find the modulus of x and the modulus of y. We substitute it inside this formula, then we find the value of theta. Now let us determine x dot y. Now before we do that, we are going to turn this vector into in the form of x, I and j. Okay, we are given a column vector. We are going to turn it to write it in form of I and j. Now x is going to be minus 4i plus 3j. Y is minus 9i plus 15j. Okay, so minus 4i plus 3j, that's for x. Y is minus 9i plus 15j. Now let's find the dot product. So x dot y will now be minus 4i plus 3j dot minus 9i plus 15j. So let's do the multiplication, the dot multiplication. Minus 4i multiplied by minus 9i, that will give us plus 36. Then plus 3j multiplied by 15j, and that will give us 45. So x dot y will now give us 81. So the next thing to do now is to determine the modulus of x. Now, to get the modulus of x, we are going to square minus 4, then we square 3, then we add the two together and find the square root. Now, this is what I'm saying. To get the modulus of x, we are going to find the square root of minus 4 squared plus 3 squared. Then that will give us square root of 16 plus 9. And that also will give us square root of 25, which is 5. So the modulus of x is now 5. And the next thing to find the modulus of y. Modulus of y is going to be the square root of the square of minus 9 plus the square of 15. And that's going to give us square root of 81 plus 225. Because 9 minus 9 squares will give us 81, 50 squares will be 225. The square root of 81 plus 225 is going to be square root of 306, and that's going to give us 17.49. So the modulus of y is now 17.49, modulus of x is 5, and x dot y is 81. Then cos theta will now be equal to 81 divided by 5 multiplied by 17.49. Cos theta will be 81 divided by 87.45. Cos theta will now be 0.9296. So theta will now be cos inverse of 0.9296, which is approximately 22 degrees. We have to approximate to the nearest degree. So the cos inverse of 0.9296 to the nearest degree, that will be 22 degrees. So the angle between the vector x and vector y is now 22 degrees. Thank you.